comparison between business, profession and employment. Okay. That is relates on the basis for difference, basis, then business, profession and employment. Okay, you know about it. All three activities, business, profession, employment, is related from the economic activity. So how can you compare it? So look here. First basis is mode of establishment. Okay, so you know about that. The business starts by anyone to follow the legal formalities. Okay, so here the relates on the business start of business depends on the decision of the owner and has to follow legal formalities, if any, to establish business. It means when anyone want to start any type of the business, so which type of the business that person want to start, so that will be dependent on their own decision. Okay, and if there is any requirement for the legal formalities for any type of the registration, so on, so it will be required for that type of the business. So mode of establishment is dependent on the decision of the owner of the business. Okay, while in the profession, one can practice a profession after getting membership and certificate of practice from the respective professional body. Okay, it means in the profession you have required the specific skills or specific knowledge, as like you know about that for the purpose of the practice relates on the lawyer. It has been required the certification relates from the bar council. So it means with the at that type of the profession we have required the certificate of that type of the registration, that type of the authority holders. Okay, as like bar council will provide the certification to start the practice by the lawyer. Okay, so now employment. Any person can start his or her employment after receiving letter of appointment and signing off employment contract. It means that will be related from the employment after receiving any type of the appointment letter, any one person start their employment. So second thing is, that is the first comparison. Second comparison is based on the nature of work. Nature of work means which type of the work that has been performed by business, then profession, then employment. So here that first nature is relates from the business. Okay, so business, it means business involves production or purchase and sale of goods and services, and sale of goods and services. Okay, and the main motive is relates from the production, purchase and sale, that will be related from the to satisfy human needs and wants, because that type of the business is based on the to satisfy the needs and wants of the human beings also. Okay, to satisfy human needs and wants. Okay, then after that your second thing is related from the profession. Here that will be related, that type of the nature of the work is related from the business. Now the work of the business profession. So profession involves providing of personalized expert services. You know about that. I have also told you, in the profession there is the requirement for any specific type of the knowledge or skills. So at that time it will be provide the services. For example, I have also given the example as professionals is related from the as like doctor and engineer, lawyer, chartered accountant, that type of the work, their activities relates from the profession. So they will provide the services, expert services on that specific knowledge. Okay, so that type of the work will be involved, that type of the nature is involved in the profession. Okay, so now third, in employment, it involves performing all work as agreed in the service contract or job description. It means at the time of the joining, I have also told you, employment is related from the when anyone perform their duties to any other organization, to any other offices, so that type of thing is related from the employment. So at the time of the joining of that employee, the job profile, the work profile that has been provided to the employee by the employer. So on the basis of that type of the job profile, that type of the job description, that will be performed by the employee in the employment. Okay, so there are that is related from the different types of the natures of the business, profession and employment. Okay, so after that, now the third comparison is third is main objective. You know about that, all these part is related from the economic activity, but the main objective of that type of the different types of the business, profession and employment is what? So here the main objective of the business is to earn maximum profit. Okay, with providing the services. You can also tell here with providing the services. Okay, and what is the work of the profession? Here the main motive is related from the to earn profit, to earn maximum profit, while in the profession that will be related on the to provide professional services, to provide professional services. It means as per their caliber, as per their skills, they will provide the services. As like doctor can provide the services related from the to see the patient, and lawyer will be provide the services related from the any type of the legal matter. So as per their skills, they will provide the services. Okay, while in the sense of the employment, that the main thing is related from the, and on the basis of that type of the services, they will get the amount of the remuneration. That type of the remuneration is called fees, and here that type of the excess amount in the comparison of purchase and sale, that is called profit. Okay, while in the sense of the employment, to earn regular income and satisfy the employer. you know about that. On the work, on the behalf of the work of the employer will provide the salary, wages, that is relates from the remuneration to the employee. So the main motive is relates from the to earn the regular income with the help of the satisfies the employer. It satisfies the employer means as per the job description. If the employee has performed the job, so the employer will be satisfied. So the main motive, the main objective of the employment is to earn regular income and satisfy the employer. Okay, this was your page number 1. Okay, now page number 2. Now next difference, next comparison here. First same here as like this. First will be related from the basis, second business, third profession, and fourth is employment. So same thing will be here. It is related from the basis, then business, then profession, then employment. So next comparison is fourth comparison. It will be related from the qualification. Qualification. ठीक है, qualification. Okay, so the main motive, in the business, which type of the qualification you have been required. So here you can also mention it. There is no minimum qualification required to start or carry business activities. Okay, it means if anyone want to start any type of the business, so there is no minimum qualification has been required, because at the time of the requirement of the business, the businessman, the owner of the business can appoint the employee. So here there is no minimum qualification has been required. While in the sense of the profession, I have also told you there is a specific knowledge or skills has been required. So here professional education, knowledge, training and experience are a must to practice profession. It means as per the working criteria, the specific qualification has been required. It means if you want to perform your duties related from the auditor, so it's mandatory to complete your CA, chartered accountantship. So at that time the professional qualification has been required here. Clear? Then the third thing is related from the employment. So in the employment you can also tell it qualification, training and experience as per employer's requirement. Okay, for example, you can also tell it, I have also told to you, at the time of the requirement any employer can appoint the employee. So when that type of the advertisements relates from the job position has been published in newspaper or internet, so at that time what is the job position, as like in the sense of the, if any company, any businessman has required the peon, so as per their work it has been required the minimum qualification. But in any other type of the sector, as like for example in any type of the banking sector, there is any accountant or any other person, clerk has been required. So as per their work the qualification has been required. So qualification has been required in the employment as per the work profile, while in the profession it has been required as like a specific knowledge, and while in the sense of the business there is no requirement of the minimum qualifications. Clear? Then after that, risk. Next comparison is a risk. You know about that business involves the risk. Risk is involved due to uncertainties of profit. It means if anyone has started any business, so it is not sure that businessman earn the profit. So there is the uncertainty in the business. Okay, so it will be involve the risk. After that, in the profession, a professional usually receives predefined or agreed fee, thus less risk, or you can also tell it moderate risk. You know about that, as like if you have visited to any doctor, okay, or you can also tell it if any type of the patient want to visit to the doctor for their prescriptions. So at that time the doctor fees is fixed, so there is the less risk has been required, involved, there is the less risk has been involved in the profession, while in the sense of the employment there is no risk because salaries are fixed. So here you can also tell it salaries are fixed, they do not depend on companies or any business performance. You can also write companies, okay, as like this. Here you will write companies performance, therefore no risk has been involved, therefore no risk has been involved. Clear? So now it's clear about the comparison of the business, profession and employment. Okay, now students, I want to tell about the concept of business. Okay, concept of business. Okay, you can also tell it the term business derived from the word busy. Okay, means you can also tell it means state of being busy in an economic activity. Okay, then you can also tell it will be related from the human activities, that will be related from the earning profit. So if you want to tell it in the proper way, so you can also tell it as like with the help of the definition. Here I want to tell about the definition related from the Lewis H. Haney. According to his definition, business is a human activity directed towards producing or acquiring wealth through buying and selling goods. Okay, that definition has been given by L.H. Haney. Okay, so on the basis of that definition and that concepts, okay, you can tell it in a summary. This is page number 3rd. Okay, you can tell it about that. You can as like this. At last, we can say that business is an economic activity connected with the production and sale of goods or supply of services with the main object of earning profit. Okay, so it means that type of thing is relates on the businesses, that type of thing that will be relates on the regular activity. It means purchasing and production, purchase, sale, that type of the activity has been performed by the businessman in a continuous way. Okay, and the main aim of that type of the activity is relates on the to earn profit, that will be relates on the to earning profit. So on the basis of that type of thing you can also clear it, that will be relates on the continue activity. Okay.